From Katiklan in Panay Island, we drive to Dumangas Port to take us to the ferry crossing over to Bacolod in Negros. Then another drive, the final drive to our final destination in Dumaguete.
Okay, so kami ay mag-turn over ng mga pasahero dito sa Dumangas dahil maraming salamat kina Dan at Now at sa kanya anak. Okay, pero dito na kami sa Dumangas, Iloilo. On our way to Dumangas Port. Cross kami to Bacolod. So, thank you din. Bye. Ingat kayo. Bye. Natumba na naman ang dashcam natin. Yan na. Welcome to Dumangas. Dito na.
See, Mama, it's Tito car.
Oo.
Every car I see, it's Tito.
Banago. Banago, Monday to Sunday, 6 times. 1 a.m. Hello. Good morning. Isakay po papuntang Bacolod. Ano pong port doon? Banago?
Bredco, ma'am. Sa Bredco kayo bababa niyan.
Bredco?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Anong oras po ang biyahe, boss? Ngayon na?
Oo.
Diretso na kami?
Oo.
Kasi hindi pa kami nakabili ng ticket. Saan po ang bilihan ng ticket?
Kumaan na kayo.
Yun na yung kanina po.
Oo.
Fast cat?
Sa
Coast Guard na magdala. Dito lang po yung...
Tutor muna kayo, balik kayo doon.
Coast Guard.
Kasi naubusan kami dito ng ticket. Sana
Sayang, pwede po.
dito.
Okay. Sige, Coast Guard po, office. Apa.
Oo.
Paanong oras po to alis?
Bali yung alis niyan, ma'am, ngayon yan, ma'am. Marami namang barko, time to time may barko naman tayo dito.
Okay.
Unahin nyo muna yung sa
Of
Coast Guard
course,
muna.
ticket muna. Okay.
Tapos balik kayo
Okay,
dito.
thank you po. Bibili ng ticket. let's go! Nakakapagod din talaga yung laging nakikita yung sasakyan.
Mabilis lang po. Okay na po.
Ha? Hindi ako nagbayad dun eh. Doon na lang daw, parang natatakot ako na bakit hindi na ako bigyan ng ticket. Doon na lang daw. Sa loob na lang daw barko sila mag-singil.
Okay. You can touch my heart, Mama. Ano pangalan ulit, Mama?
Banago. Sa barko na lang daw Okay, apa. Salamat. Arastre. Ang bayad. Saan ang arastre? Di ba? Ano say mo? Sige. Pwede pa? Oh.
Wala ma'am.
Ay, wala na.
Pasok lang muna tayo dito ma'am. Oh. Ano may barko ma'am? Parating.
May parating.
Tayo plate number ma'am. Papunta tayo dito. Dito po
Pi-
tayo.
Pila na lang pa?
Oo.
Okay.
O dito lang ma'am. Palukan.
Wait lang. Sorry po, sorry.
Mom, we cannot fit.
Yeah, halo-halo na. Okay. Waiting tayo for the next barko because puno na pala. Hindi tayo nakahabol. Okay, so this is ferry na going to Guimaras. Yun ang Guimaras Island. Yan. Ang Bacolod is this way. Madalas daw mapagkamalan na ito, Bacolod. Bacolod is that way, all the way there. Ay, slippers. Okay, go back there.
Di Mama slap us back.
It's okay. Start na pasok ang mga trucks. Nanya.
Mama,
Ate Carla.
here's some more.
So, makain naman siya ng Bonamine.
You're welcome.
No! Naiwan nila yung bibingka. Yung ano. Tinanggal na ba nila yung mga nakatali? They remove it. Check ko lang.
Why it's still on? Mom, it's still
Ready
on.
to go. Ready to
Like
go.
and subscribe and share and comment.
At the back.
Wow.
This is called Brecto pork.
That's really
I just don't know the spelling. This is our last crossing using the boat to Bacolod to Dumaguete.
there.
Maybe more or less 5 hours. Maybe even 6 kasi I've tried it on
Slow down, Mom.
bus before sa public 6 hours. So what is it say? Straight, Queen?
It's
Are you
still
aking
straight.
navigator dito?
It's still straight, Mama.
And we follow the people
In
here.
Dr. Villosin City, it's
Does your, does it speak your Roro? Ayan na po mga kaibigan, ang traffic sa malaking city. Welcome to the big city of Bacolod. It used to be the sugarcane capital of the Philippines. Now a big industrial area surrounding. Welcome si Jollibee ng Bacolod City. Hindi po. Welcome to Bacolod City. Sabi niya siya.
wow, hi guys.
Oh my God. I felt hungry immediately. Solar pan.
tayo dito. Solar farm.
Ah, ang ganda. Pwede ka.
Okay, so we are now in Bais, probably more or less 50 kilometers before we reach Dumaguete City. Time check, it's 4:39 in the afternoon. So hopefully makarating kami in Dumaguete in an hour's time. So ibig sabihin, we'll be home before actually gets dark. Thank goodness.
Nervous yung pinaangay, nakabot-on ang kinabuhi yung haruhan. Abante tanhan.
It seems not like Dumaguete.
Because we're just entering Dumaguete.
How
You will see Lola soon. We are in San Jose. Lapit na, konti na lang. Less than 18 kilometers. Si Bulan na! Bulan na! Malapit na!
I don't think. Go there.
Left or right?
This one, no, you see my hand right there.
So left.
Yes, po.
Going
Go
left.
left.
You are right. This is the diversion road that led us to home.
Yeah, and that one goes to.
They're not waiting.
Tan 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 tan. Ay! Open the door. Ay! The Hilux is big to fit there.
Pulo na talaga. Ay, tabi-tabi.
Ay! 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 Yun, yung tigkakapan.
Hala, napitas na yata ang isa ma.
Let me go down.
Go down na. Thank you, Hilux. You're home. Ang aking mga karagers. Ako ba